We start off with someone who just wants to waste petrol. In this day and age, with the prices the petrol and diesel is, it's crazy that you have to rush to the next set of lights rather than just, taking it easy like I'm doing here. I'm trying to time it, but I don't get it quite right, so I do actually have to stop here.
I guess you're going to rush to the next light, are you? Ew, that looked bigger than it was.
The suspension's probably going to be gone.
Here we have a biker filtering, supposedly at 20 miles an hour. No chance. Absolutely stupid biker. But next up is going to be a rare one. It's a personal mistake.
Oh no! No. I thought the thing was just going. I'm just going to sit and hope. Hope.
Oh, that's completed.
Yeah. Okay. Come on, someone be nice. Fucking hell. No one is fucking nice, are they? Would it really have hurt any of these people? Whoa.
Clever mate, wasn't it?
Fucking stupid. Oh, that car's turning, that means it's fine to cross. Of course, cyclists don't give a shit about the red lights. Yeah, don't fucking walk out in front of me, do you? It's 60 miles an hour, come on.
It's that car in front of the van, isn't it?
The problem is, they've waited so long that people are starting to undertake, which means it's difficult.
It's hard to get in.
To be fair, there's also now a long queue in front of
Yeah.
as well. Got people
It's like you'd be quicker in the slow lane.
It'd be quicker if you just kept weaving in and out like that person is going to do. Go on, get stuck. Go on, get stuck.
Yeah, don't let this one.
Go on.
He doesn't know where to go.
Oh, he's going to squeeze. He's going to squeeze.
What a dick. Oh my god.
Wow.
What a dickhead.
Oh my god.
Fucking hell. That's bad. I mean, I was joking about going in the slow lane because it always comes across.
In front of the black car. It cuts out the black car.
God.
Yeah, thanks. Just slow us down even more.
What do you think he's doing?
And then he's just joined the queue in the third lane anyway.
Should we go on safe?
Oh, I hate doing that shit. If I tried that, I'd crash.
Is he still in this thing?
Yeah, he's now right up. Oh no, now he's moving again. They're going again.
I can't see him.
They're now tailgating another car. Are they trying to get back into the first lane again? No, lost him. They're probably cutting up lorries or something there.
Congratulations, you're 4 cars ahead. And you already died doing it.
So I do it, and then you decide to do it. Can't they? You want it now?
Nope.
Not sure. Like, which one? Which one?
Maybe he was saying one but didn't know which one.
Yeah.
You got the reason.
I recognise that. I've done that when you told me, yeah, but you haven't told me which one.
I don't do
Your
that.
fault.
No, not your fault.
Or not?
I think.
Oh my god. Fucking joke. A lot of you.
That's your fault, Aldi.
Hell.
Red light camera ahead. In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Gilgrove.
Fucking indicate as you turn. The poor car could have come out. Ridiculous BMW. Around.
Amber, forecaster Gregory Dewhurst from the Met Office says we could see a lot of snow. Last night temperatures dropped to minus 15.4 degrees in the Scottish Highlands.
This clip cut short a little bit at the end, but this car decides to indicate and then just pull across at the same time. Obviously no mirror usage whatsoever, because they obviously didn't see me.
That a bit late, didn't you?
We have another musket in front of us, so that there's a nice big space behind me so they can get into the lane. But this horrible gold looking car has to choose this gap between me and someone who's literally just joined to jump into. But it gets worse from there, because they go into the left-hand lane. Now before this junction, it did seem that you could go 2 lanes towards the M25, what's it like, anti-clockwise. But that's not the case now, because they've updated the road markings on the roundabout So it is now clear that that left-hand lane doesn't go to the M25. But that's not the case for the gold car, because the gold car, you can see by their position here that they do not want to go left. They're hugging that right-hand line, really close to the biker as well, but yeah, it's what it is. So what they do, they just carry on barreling straight through into that A127 lane now. But that causes problems because us in this lane now need to move over to the left lane for the exit. But as you can see, it's alongside me. I now cannot move over into the correct lane. Now we're looking at the blue car. Now for some reason the blue car decides that they need both of the lanes here to try and block me. It's like, well, I couldn't go anywhere else. I couldn't move over because of the gold car, so I had to just continue in that second lane and take the second lane of the exit.